In the following example, we're asked to find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the first quadrant region between y equals 4 minus x squared and y equals 2x plus 1 and x equals 0 around the x-axis. So the curve we're looking for in this case then is in here, or the region we're looking for is in here, and we're rotating around the x-axis. So we're going to take this around the x-axis. We need the points of intersection, so here we have 0, 4. Here we have 0, 1. By setting the equations equal and solving for x, we can find that this is 1, 3. Now we need to know the orientation of the reference rectangle that we'll use. So if we put a reference rectangle in here and we consider moving it from left to right, you'll notice the top can always remain on the parabola and the bottom can always remain on the line as we move left to right. Therefore, dx rectangle in this case will work fine. That's dx. Now that tells us the formula we'll use for volume. So now that we know this is our rectangle, this is our axis, these are perpendicular, that tells us we're going to have to use the washer method. The washer method, to solve it, we need an outside radius, an inside radius, and a thickness. The thickness is dx, because it's a dx rectangle, or dx washer when it spins. The outside radius is the distance from the axis to the outside part. So in this case, that's the parabola, which is 4 minus x squared. And the inside radius is the distance from the axis to the bottom of our rectangle, which in this case is the line, or 2x plus 1. Therefore, the volume is equal to pi times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 1 of the inside radius squared minus the outside radius. Sorry, the outside radius squared minus the inside radius squared, multiplied by the thickness. Simplifying this expression then, we need to expand the brackets and then subtract. That gives us 15 minus 12x squared plus x to the 4 minus 4x and that lets us integrate. The integration gives us 15x minus 12x cubed over 3. 12 over 3 is 4, so 4x cubed plus x to the 5 over 5 minus 4x squared over 2. 4 over 2 is 2, so 2x squared. That's evaluated from 0 to 1. Plugging in 1 leaves us 15 minus 4 plus 1 over 5 minus 2. Plugging in 0 gives us 0, so minus 0. And simplifying then, that's 46 pi over 5, or 9.2 pi units cubed.